Share can be issued in three ways: share at a par, share at a discount, share at a premium. Pro rata means proportionately accepted. If any forfeiture takes place after the payment of the premium, if there is any forfeiture, don't take the premium into consideration. Hello everybody, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Corporate Accounting 1 of the third semester BCom. The unit is issue of shares of a joint stock company. So, in the previous session, I already told share is a part of a share capital. The capital of a joint stock company has been divided into number of units. Each unit is called a share. Share can be issued in three ways: share at a par, share at a discount, share at a premium. Same value, share at a par. Higher value, share at a premium. Less value, share at a discount. Now, we are going to solve the problem when the shares are issued at a premium. We'll go through the problem now. So, this is one of the good problem we are going to solve now. A limited company issued a prospectus inviting application for 2,000 share of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. What's your face value? 10 rupees. How many share? 2,000 share issued at a premium of rupees 2. 2 on application. We collect 2 rupees on application. Then 5 on allotment, including the premium. 3 on first call. 2 on final call. How you are going to collect? First application, then allotment, then first call, then the final call. The company received 3,000 shares and allotment was made pro rata to the extent of 2,400 shares. So we received 3,000 shares. How many applications were accepted? 2,400. We mean to say that 600 applications were rejected. Then money overpaid on application was employed on account due amount allotment account. So you got 3,000 share. How many application accepted? 2,400. How many application rejected? 600. Money have been refunded. How many application accepted more? 400. That money will be adjusted to allotment. Ramesh, to whom 40 shares were allotted, fails to pay the first call and the second and final call money. So he paid application, he paid allotment, but fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the final call. Ramesh. Then another man called Mohan holds how many shares? 60 share, fails to pay the second and final call. Then means he fails. Mohan holder 660 share fails to pay the final call. Means he paid application, he paid allotment, he paid the first call, but fails to pay the final call. Then whatever all these shares were forfeited and reissued to Krishna at rupees 9 per share. So 40 share of one man, 60 share of another man, total how many share? 100 shares were reissued at what rate? At rupees 9 per share. Show journal entry and prepare the balance sheet of the company. Now, generally the question arises, how many shares you have got? 2,000 share. But how many applications require? 2,000 only. But how many applications we received? 3,000 application we received. How many application more? 1,000. They would have been rejected 1,000 application, but they accepted how much? 2,400. The general question arises, no? General question arises. You got 2,000 share, but you received 3,000 application. Now, so are you going to accept entire 3,000 application? No. Generally, they will reject how many application? 1,000. How they will reject? They put all 3,000 application box. They took out 1,000 application, rejected, money will be refunded. This is a usual case. But here, for 3,000, how many application has been accepted? 2,400. So you got shares is to application. So you got shares is to application. How many shares are there? 2,000. How many application received? 3,000. So how many shares? 2,000. How many application received? 3,000. How many application more? 1,000 application more. But we accepted how much? 2,400 means how many application rejected? 600. Rejected. How many application rejected? 600. So the balance is 2,000 share, 2,400 application. How many share? 2,000 share, 2,004 application. If we cancel the 0, 20 is to 24. So 20 share, 24 application. If we divide it by 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. This is called pro rata. Pro rata means proportionately accepted. So, how many shares are there? 2,000. How many application received? 3,000. How many application rejected? 600. You accept for 2,000 share, 2,400 application. But if we cancel the 0, they are in the ratio of 20 is to 24. If we divide it by 4, 4 5s are, 4 6 are, they are in the ratio of 5 is to 6. This is called proportionate, pro rata, proportionately accepted by the company. Now, I am going to explain. So, what is a common journal entry you are going to pass? Bank account data to share application account. Share application account data to share capital account. This is a common entry. Now, when you have got accepted and rejected, what's the entry? Bank account data to share application account data to share capital, to bank account, to share allotment account. What is the common entry? Bank account data to share application account. The excess money adjusted to allotment, some money have been refunded. When you receive the entry, bank account data to share application account. When you refund the money, share application account data to bank account. I will repeat once again. When I receive the money, bank account data to share application account. When you refund the money, share application account data to bank account. So entry goes like this. Bank account data to share application account data to share capital, to bank account, to share allotment account. Next, what is a common entry for allotment? Share allotment account data to share capital account. If there is a premium, share allotment account data to share capital, to share premium. What is the next entry? Bank account data to share allotment account. What is the due entry for first call? Share first call account data to share capital account. When I receive the money, bank account data to share first call account. What is the entry for final call? Share final call account data to share capital account. When I receive the money, bank account data to share final call account. This is the usual entry. Now, we'll go with the problem. How many shares are there? 2,000. How many applications received? 3,000. So 3,000 into 2 means 6,000 rupees we have received. You'll pass the entry. What's the first entry? Bank account data to share application account. How many applications you received? 3,000 application you received. What's the application fees? 2 rupees. How much you received? 6,000. To share application account, 6,000. What's the entry? Bank account data are 6,000. To share application account, 6,000. Out of 3,000 share, how many application accepted? Only 2,400. How many application more? That is 400. That money goes to in favor of allotment. Here, what's the entry? Share application account data to share capital account, to share allotment account, to bank account. How much money you have got? 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. Share capital, actually you require 2,000 into 10. This is 2,000 rupees, no? We have got how many shares are there? See the board, you can understand. How many shares are there? 3,000. You require how much money? 2,000 rupees at the rate of rupees 2 only. How much actually require? 2,000 into 4. 4,000 actually you require. Here, share application here, actually require 2,000 into 2. We require 4,000. Then, how much excess application is there? 400 into 2. This is 800. How many application rejected? 600 at the rate of 2,200. See the board? How much actually received? 6,000. Out of that, how much actually required share capital? Only 4,000. 2,000 into 2. How much excess here got? 400 application is more. That is adjusted to allotment. 800 rupees. How much refunded? 1,000. 200 refunded. Entry being application money transferred to share capital. So this amount go to share capital. This money goes in favor of allotment. This money has been refunded. What's the entry now? Bank account data to share application account actually require 4,000. That goes in favor of the capital. How much go for the save allotment account? 800. How much rejected? 600 application. Money have been refunded. When I receive the money, what's the entry? When I receive the money, what's the entry? Bank account data to share application account. When you refund the money, share application account data to bank account. Then we'll move on to the allotment account. What's your allotment account? See that 5 on allotment is there, including the premium. 5 is there. What's your premium is 2. So here now, if you see that the real money is 3, premium is 2. Actually 5, real money is 3, premium is 2. On how many shares? 2,000 shares we require. We'll pass the entry. Share allotment account data are 2,000 into 5, 10,000 we require. 2,000 into 5, 10,000. Real money, 2,000 into 3, 6,000. Real money. What's your premium? 2 rupees. 2,000 into 2. It works out 4,000. What's the entry? Share allotment account data. We require how much money? 10,000. To share capital, how much you require for capital? 6,000. How much go for premium? 4,000. Being allotment money due. How much money to be received? 10,000. Real money is 6,000. Excess premium is 2,000. Then bank account. If you see the last entry, actually we require how much money? 10,000. In your application, already how much allotment has gone? 800 is already created. How much money to be received? 10,000. How much already received? 800. What's the balance? 9,200 you are going to receive. Here, bank account data actually require 10,000. How much already received? 800. What's the balance to receive now? 9,200. To share allotment account, 9,200. What's the entry now? Bank account data 9,200. To share allotment account, 9,200. So in application, you already credited how much money? 800. Actually, we require 10,000. How much already received? 800 rupees. What's the balance to receive? 9,200 rupees. What's the entry? Bank account data to share allotment account. Then you go for a due entry for first come. See that in your problem. What's your first call money? 3 on how many share? 2,000 share. There's 3 entry. Who fails to pay? Ramesh fails to pay. How many share? 40 share he could not pay. We'll pass the entry. Share first call account data 2,000 into 3, 6,000. What's the entry? Share first call account data 2,000 into 6,000. To share capital 6,000. Due entry. Share first call account data 6,000. To share capital account 6,000. So we have to receive how much money? 6,000. Now, who fails to pay now? Who fails to pay? Here, Ramesh, who holds how many shares? 40 shares fails to pay. How many shares you have got? 2,000. How many shares you could not receive? 40 means how many shares you are going? 1,960. What's the due entry? Share allotment over, bank over. Then first call, how much money to receive? 6,000. Now, how many shares money you could not receive? 40. You have got how many share? 2,000 share. How many shares money you could not receive? 40. How many shares money you are going to receive? 1,960 at the rate of rupees 3. You got now? Totally how many you have got? 2,000 you have got. Out of 2,000, how much you could not raise? 40 at the rate of rupees 3. If we multiply, 3 0, 3 6 are 18, 1 remaining, 3 9s are 27, 1 28, 2 remaining, 3 1s are plus 5, 5,880 again. So how much you could not receive? 40 into 3 is 120 we could not receive. How much money you are going to receive? 5,820. To share first call account, 5,880. I will repeat. Bank account data 5,880. To share first call account, 5,800. How many shares money you could not receive? 40. Who holds? Ramesh. He fails to allotment account. That means he paid application, he paid allotment, fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the final call. So he fails in the first call, which we are doing. We'll go to the next final call. Share final call account data. What is the value of the final call? You see in the question paper. What's the final share first? 2 rupees we have to receive. On how many share? 2,000 share. Share final call account data 2,000 into 2. 4,000. Share final call account data 2,000 into 2, 4,000. To share capital account 4,000. Due entry. What's the due entry for that? Share final call account data to share capital account 4,000. How much money to be received? 4,000. The final call money due. On how many share? 2,000. Ramesh holds how many share? 40 share. Mohan holds how many share? 60 share. Both have been failed to pay the final call. That means 100 shares money you could not receive in the final call. So you are going to receive only 1,900 share at the rate of rupees 2 only. Bank account data. You have got 2,000 share. Actually 2,000 share. How many share money you could not receive? 100. 40 of the first man, 60 of the man. What's the balance? 1,900. What's your rate is 2 rupees. This is 3,800. To share final call account, 3,800. I will repeat. How many shares money you could not receive? 100. 100 into 2 is 1,200. So we could, out of 2,000, 100 share gone means 1,900 will come, multiplied by 2. 2 is nothing but 3,800 you have done. Now, who fails to pay? First man has to pay 40 rupees. Second man has to pay 60 rupees. 60 share. First man, 40 share. Second man, 60 share. Total how many share? 100 shares money you could not receive. Now, the 100 shares has been with you for feature, cancelled out. How many shares have been cancelled out? So 40 shares of the first man, that is Ramesh holds how many share? 40 share, fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the final call. Mohan holds how many share? 60 share, fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the final call. Total how many share? 100 shares have been cancelled out. The company has got a power. If it does not pay the money, the company has got so much power to cancel the share. Cancellation of the share is called forfeiture. Now, how many shares have been forfeited now? 100 entry. Now, the entry goes for forfeiture. Share capital account debtor, how much they have to pay. To forfeited share account, how much already paid. Then how much you have to pay the first call, how much you have to pay the final call. Here, for 100 share, what is the face value? 10 rupees. 100 into 10 is 1000 they have to pay. How much already paid you have to look after. Then share first call is paid by first man, share final call is paid by both the parties. Understand? But once you pay the allotment money, if there is any failure, don't take the premium into consideration. If he fails to pay the allotment account, which includes the premium, then premium should be considered. I will repeat once again. If any forfeiture takes place after the payment of the premium, if there is any forfeiture, don't take the premium into consideration. By chance, if he fails to pay the allotment account, which includes the premium, if he fails, premium should be taken into consideration. Now, how many shares now? 100 shares. One man has to face to pay the both the call, first call and the final call. Then second man, he fails to pay the final call. If you see the question, no, here see that. What is the first call money? 3. Final call money is 2. 140 share and 60 share. So first call failure is 300 by first man. So both have been paid in the final call. I show that how to pass the entry. Share capital account debtor. How many share? 100 share. 40 of the first man, 60 of the second man. At the rate of rupees 10, 1000 we have to receive. Then forfeited share. So here, first man, how many shareholders he that? See the question, first man, how many shareholders? First man holds 40 share. He fails to pay the first call and the final call. Second man holds 60 share. Both failed in the final call. What is the first call money? 3 rupees. Forfeited share. How much already paid? You see that? What's your application fees? 2 rupees. Allotment 3. Leaving the premium. So forfeited share on how many share? First man, you have got 40. How much he has paid? 40. 2 on application. 3 on allotment. 5. Plus. Second man, when you come to here, 100 share. What's the value? You have got 2 rupees on how many share? 100 share into 2. I will repeat now. I will repeat once again. Total how many shares are there? 100 shares are there. See that 40 shares held by Mr. Ramesh, 60 shares held by Mr. Mohan. Total how many share? 100 share. How much they have to pay? Face value of rupees 10. So total how many share? 100 share. They have to pay 100 into 10. 1000 they have to pay. This man who holds how many share? 40 share. Fails to pay what? Fails to pay the first call. Fails to pay. What is the first call money? 40 into 3. This is 120 he fails to pay. Regarding the final call, both have been paid. 100 into 2. 200. So, how much already you got now? First man has paid 40 share. How much he has paid? Application 2, allotment 3. Next, first man, 40 into 5. How much paid by second man? He pays application, he pays allotment, he pays the 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 on first call means 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. On how many share? That is 60 shares into 8. So this is 200, 480. So this is nothing, 680. See the board? Actually, how much you have to receive? 1000. This is first, he fails to pay 40 into 3, 120. This is 100 into 2, means actually he have paid. How much already paid? 40 into 3, 100 into 2, final call. Then already paid 5, no? What is a 5? He paid 2 on application, 3 on allotment. Second man paid application, allotment, first call, that you have to forfeited share. Then actually you have to receive 1000. How much you could not receive in the first call? This is 120. How much you could not receive in the final call? Both have been paid, 200. How much already paid? You have to going to see that. So 40 into 5, 60 into 8. I will explain once again. Now, 2 forfeited share. How much had to pay? 40 into 5 means how much already paid? 2 on application, 3 on allotment. So 40 into 5, this is 200. This 100 man, how much already paid? 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 on allotment, totally 8 rupees. 8, what is 8 rupees? 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 on first call. This is nothing but, this is 200. Totally we have got 40 shares now. 40 into 5, 200. This 100 into 800 is there now. He fails to pay. If we see now, you can understand once again. Working note. Here now, 100 into 10, 1000. How much already paid? Here 40 into 5, 200. It is 60 into 8, 480. Come back. Share capital account debtor. Here, he has to fail to 60. I will repeat. This is 60 into 8, 480. Already paid. How much he already paid? 200. Then he already paid 480. Totally how much already paid? 680. Then who fails to pay? First man fails to pay. How many shares he holds? First man 40 share into 3. This is 120. Both failed in the final call. 100 share into 2, 200. I will repeat. Share capital, they have to pay rupees 10. First man holds how much? 40. Second man holds 60. He paid application and allotment. He paid application, allotment and first call. 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 on the first call. How much you have paid? 8 rupees. 480 you received. 480. Total how much you received? 680. First call money, who fails to pay? First man has to pay. First call, 40 into 3 is 120. Final call, both have been paid. 100 into 2 is 200. This is received. Fails to, this is fails. This is fails. Fails to pay. Shall repeat once again. Share capital account debtor 100 into 10, 1000. Forfeit HME is how much already paid. First man 40 into 5, 2 on application, 3 on allotment. Second man holds how much? 60. Paid application fees, allotment, first call, 8 rupees fee. So totally we paid. So fails to pay the first call, 40 into 3 is 120. Share final call, 100 into 2 is 200. The same share now going to be reissued. Same share is going to be reissued now. Bank account. At what rate? See the question paper. What rate it was reissued? Reissued 9. How many share? 100 shares. Bank account debtor 100 shares into 9. 900. What's your face value? 10. How much you could not receive? 1. So 100 into 1. 100. 2 forfeit a share. To share capital, add the figure 1000. So same share had been reissued at what rate? At rupees 9 at a loss of rupees 1. What's the entry? Bank account debtor, forfeit a shares account debtor to share capital account. You received how much? How much you could not receive? 100. Totally we are going to receive for 1000. How much you receive? 900. Whatever the excess comes, that will go to capital reserve account. If we see the last entry, for forfeited share, how much you have already got? 680, that's a credit entry. If next entry, how much is debited? 100. 680 is credited, 100 is debited. How much is credited? 580. That will go to capital reserve. 680 credit entry, 100 debit entry, difference is 580. Forfeited share account debtor 580 to capital reserve account 580. The excess money will go to capital reserve. That money will be kept in the capital reserve. If there is any shortage of fund, that money will be utilized. Last entry is, we must be careful. Forfeited share account debtor, it will be kept in a reserve till if there is any shortage of fund, this money can be utilized. Now, we will go to, before preparing the balance sheet, better to go to preparing the bank account. Wherever the bank comes, you have to look after. We'll go one by one. Here, how much you receive on application, how much you receive on allotment, you have to see that. So if you go to problem, first from the first you have to look after. Bank account, you have to share application, how much money you receive? 6,000 you receive. You have to put the 6,000 now. Share application, how much money? 6,000. So your application is over. How much you have to receive in allotment, you have to see that. Share application to share capital, share it. To bank account, how much you refunded? 1,200 refunded. Next, if you go, no. Share allotment to share. Bank account, how much you receive? 9,200 we have received. That should be entered. So, how much money you have received? 9,200. Then, how much you receive for first call? We have to see that. Bank account data to first call account. How much money? 5,880. 5,880. You receive on the first call 5,880. You see that how much you receive on the final call? Bank account data to how much money? 3,800. Forfeited and reissued, how much you receive? Bank account, how much you receive? 900. Oh. Out of 3,000, how much accepted? Only 2,400. How much rejected? 600. That money has been refunded. 600 into 2. 1,200. You receive how many application? 3,000. How much accepted? 2,400. How much rejected? 600. What's your application fees? 2. When you receive the money entry, bank account data to share application. When refunded, share application account data to that particular. What's the entry? Bank account data to share application account. When refunded, share application account data to bank account. We have to see that how much money in the what's called bank account is considered. If you add now, this is 0, this is 8, then 2 plus 8, 10, plus 8, 18, plus 9, 27. 1 plus 6, 7, 16, 21, 24. 24,780. Out of that, 1,200 gone. 0, 8, 5, then 3, 23,580. So this 23,580 comes here. So this is 8, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 3, 4 plus, here no, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 retail. So balance carried in figure is 23,580. This is your cash at bank. This is money received on application, on allotment, on the first call, on the final call, forfeited and reissue. How to show in the balance sheet I am going to explain now. 0, 8, 2 plus 8, 10, 18, 27, 2 plus 6, 8 plus 7, 17, 22. This is 25,780. Sorry, 25,780. Difference is, this is 24,580. So what is 24,580? That is your cash at bank. What's the total amount? 25,780. 25,780. How much difference will come? 24,580. That goes to the cash at bank. So while preparing the balance sheet, no, you have to prepare the balance sheet like this. How much issued and paid? 2,000 share at what rate? 10 rupees, 20,000. Then in the reserve and surplus, you have to show the two items. One is the capital reserve, one is the share premium. What's your capital reserve you come across? 580. As per the problem, I will show you. What's your capital reserve last entry? What's the last entry? 580 is there. 580 will come. Then extra premium 4,000 allotment. What is the total amount? 24,580. That lies in the cash at bank. 24,580. So you should be tally here. This is paid up. The two items are reserve and surplus is there. One is the cap reserve, one is the share premium. So if you prepare the what's called cash at bank account, how much lies now? 24,580. So here now there is one word called pro rata allotment. That means for 3,000, how much you accepted? Only 2,400 you are going to accept now. So that means remaining 600 is rejected. The remaining amount is going to be in the cash at bank to the extent of 24,580 is there now that I have prepared here. If you see the board, you can understand. Here How much you receive on application? 6,000. How much you receive on allotment? 9,200. Totally we receive 25,780. Out of that 1,200 gone, how much left over? 24,580 you are going to receive. So this will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. 24,580. This is the paid up capital. This is goes to capital reserve. This will go to share premium. So before conclusion, once again I will tell you. So generally we get the problem only on allotment, only on allotment amount only. So you must be very, very careful only on allotment amount. That means premium always allotment account. Pro rata means excess application is coming in. Some is accepted, some is rejected. The common entry, bank account data to share application account data to share capital, to share premium, and to share allotment account. This you have to learn. I think you have solved the second problem here. In the next session, we are going to solve same type of problem with another premium with pro rata allotment account. Till then, goodbye. See you once again in the next session with another good problem.